Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video we are going to learn the formation of small letters and their phonic sounds. We must know the correct formation of letters. We will read the formations while writing it so that there will be no chance of mistakes like wrong faces or wrong lines that most of the babies do. Now watch and listen very carefully. Now repeat the formation after me. Start from the fatty dot. Make a curve, go up, come down on the same line. A. Start from the fatty dot, go down and down, come up a little and turn around. B. Start from the fatty dot. K is curvy. A, B, K. Start. Now here the dot is not on its correct place. This dot should be here. Okay. Start from the fatty dot. Make a curve. Go up and up. Come down on the same line. D. A apple, B ball, C cat, D dog. What comes after D? A. Here again the dot is not on its correct place, so we are just going to ignore this dot. Make a sleeping line and then make a K. A. Egg. Here again we are going to ignore this dot because it's not on its correct place. The dot should be here. Start from the fatty dot. Turn a little. Go down and cut it from the middle. Egg, fish. Now start from the fatty dot, make a curve, go up, then come down and turn a little. Goat. Start from the fatty dot, go down come up and turn a little, then go down again on the same line. H. A, B, K, D, E, G, H. What comes after H? E. Go down and give it a dot. E. Ice cream. Start from the fatty dot. Go down turn a little and give it a dot. Jug. Start from the fatty dot. Go down and give it a kick. Kite. Start from the fatty dot. Go down lamp. Start from the fatty dot, go down, go up, turn down, go up and turn down again. Mango. Start from the fatty dot, go down, go up and turn down. Nest. Start from the fatty dot. O is round and round or orange. Start from the fatty dot. Go down come up on the same line and then turn around. Parrot. What comes after P? Let's check. A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, j, k, l, o, p, qua. Start from the fatty dot. Make a curve. Go up. Go down and down. And give it a kick. Qua. Qua quilt. Start from the fatty dot. Go down. Come up again. And turn a little. Rabbit. Start from the fatty dot and is like a snake. Snake. Start from the fatty dot. Go down and down. Turn a little and cut it from the middle. Toy. Start from the fatty dot. Go down. Turn up. Then come down on the same line. A umbrella. Start from the fatty dot. Go slant down and go slant up. Van. Start from the fatty dot. Go down. Go slant down. Go slant up. Go slant down. Go slant up. Watch. Start from the fatty dot. Is like a cross. Start from the fatty dot. Make a come down and turn a little. Ya yolk. Start from the fatty dot. Make a sleeping line. Go slant down and then again make a sleeping line. Z zebra. Let's read it again. A, b, k, d, e. G, h, I, j, k, l, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, w, x, y, z. What we have done today? We have learned small letters. Now what you have to do is, you have to learn all these formations by heart, so it will be helpful for you in the upcoming topics.